Memes aside, Elon Musk, who's best known as CEO of both Tesla and SpaceX, is wagering that cryptocurrency is also redeeming in two ways. It's useful as a stable store of value for investors, and also as a medium of exchange that can rival the dollar in everyday economic transactions. Looking at where the coin started, it's come a long way. Yet the road is still long, and Dogecoin has places to go. And when I'm talking about places, I mean that it has up to 1,000 times potential, which is amazing if you'd ask me. Elon Musk said it, and I believe that very soon Dogecoin is going to the moon. As of now, Dogecoin stands at a staggering 4.9 cents, which is a very long way from where it started in 2013 at less than a penny. It has had many ups and downs, its initial surge occurring only 1 month after its creation when the coin jumped up by 300%. It reached an all-time high price of 7.8 cents in January 2021, which was an increase of over 1,442% since 2013. If we're to say that Doge has 1,000 times potential, then the price of Doge would have to rise to a mind-blowing price of over $2. Would this happen? And if the answer to that question is yes, then how soon would it happen? Welcome to Crypto Fox. Today, we'll be talking about how Dogecoin has massive growth potential of up to 1,000 times. Elon Musk has said it time and time again that Doge is one of the best, and we would like to see just how his numerous influences are going to launch this coin into one of its greatest increases of all time. On this channel, we tell you all about the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Stick around until the end of this video to find out more about this amazing coin. Also, like, subscribe, and leave a comment for us. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive more updates when we post new videos like this one. Do you remember GameStop from our previous videos? GameStop is an American video game, consumer electronics, and gaming merchandise retailer, which was having some financial issues earlier in February this year. Let's talk a little more about GameStop and what happened with it and the Dogecoin surge earlier this year. Satoshi Street Bets is a subreddit community, just like Wall Street Bets, where the participants discuss cryptocurrency in place of stock and options trading. This group caused GameStop to soar by nearly 2,000% in late January. They extended a hand to our favorite cryptocurrency, where they circulated threads asking Redditors not to sell their Dogecoin till it reaches the moon, and its value reached $1. It was around the same time when Musk also tweeted about the coin, which caused the price of the coin to rise to 8.2 cents. He bought his 9-month-old son Lil X some Dogecoin and called him a toddler hodler, which is a term in the cryptocurrency industry that refers to someone who holds on to a cryptocurrency without selling. Thereafter came the famous tweets and memes about Dogecoin that we've all come to be familiar with. Dogecoin has hit an unfathomable market capitalization of $9.1 billion on the back of a Reddit-fueled rally from half a penny to 7 cents. The creator, Marcus, left the project in 2015 when the community started to strongly shift from one he was comfortable with. He said that he sold all his coins, and he doesn't currently own any except those that have been tipped to him recently. He was scared of dwindling his savings at the time, and that was his stated reason for selling his coins. So, untrue to people's opinion of how the coin is run, it is decentralized, and nobody controls the output of the coins. In lieu of that, it was also discovered that although Dogecoin is meant to be a decentralized cryptocurrency, it seems somewhat difficult to say that when most of the Dogecoin available at the moment are concentrated in a few wallets. It's a mystery though, because Dogecoin should be deflationary, and there could still be more Dogecoin that can be mined. Nevertheless, the crypto community of Dogecoin will only operate based on the coin that already exists in the market. There's been news of a particular Dogecoin whale who holds 28.7% of all the Dogecoin in circulation, which sums up about $2.1 billion in value. On the Dogecoin rich list on BitInfo charts, the top 12 addresses collectively contain almost 50% of all Dogecoin. Talk about massive centralization. Elon Musk believes that the uneven concentration of Dogecoin in the hands of these few holders is the only real issue with the meme cryptocurrency, and he offered his help to solve the problem. He stated that if major Dogecoin holders would get rid of most of their coins, they would get his full support. He also stated that he would literally pay them actual dollars if they just void their accounts. This was, however, not a clear request, as he did not specify how much he was willing to give them or what exactly he needed them to do. Did he mean they should void their accounts, or would he just like to see the holders burn their coins and send them to addresses without private keys? A few hours after his initial tweet, he got a reply from one of the addresses holding over a fourth of all existing Dogecoins, who asked him what his acceptable outcome would be. Musk replied with a simple tweet, which stated disturbing concentration. There have been many replies to this tweet and many opinions of Twitter users, one of whom believes that though the price of the coin may not have reflected it at the moment, Musk's ultimatum was good for Dogecoin in the long run, and he legitimately sees Dogecoin's potential as being the leading cryptocurrency of the internet. The crypto whales were then left with two options, one of which was to consider Elon Musk's ultimatum, comply with it, and make Dogecoin the cryptocurrency of the internet. Their other option was to ignore his ultimatum and allow the coin to lose Elon Musk's endorsement, which was going to be very bad for the coin in the long run, considering Musk's influences on the coin price in recent times. Dogecoin dropped by about 20% right after this tweet. Let's not also forget where Dogecoin was before all the explosive price actions earlier this year. Dogecoin was created as a joke, based on the Shiba Inu dog meme, which was one of the best memes in its time. Ironically, Dogecoin was made as a mockery of all other altcoins at the time. This is why Elon Musk made a statement about irony being that the altcoin, which was made as a joke, would one day become the cryptocurrency of the world. He sometimes makes jokes about the coin, which are meant to just be jokes. But this could be an irony in the future, meaning that Elon Musk believes in this potential for the coin too. A spokesperson talked about the coin, stating how much the price was going to depend on Elon Musk. While speaking with Al Jazeera, he also stated, "For what was essentially a dead coin based on an old meme is now being pushed to be accepted as a currency in businesses used for tipping or trading online. It may very well rival Bitcoin someday, and we're all in on the ground floor." Given the growing user base, popularity on the internet, and worldwide adoption, Dogecoin may breach the $1 target by the end of the year. If that doesn't happen, the coin should be approaching by mid-2022. However, such predictions are plausible in an ideal trading environment. Let's hope that all goes well with Elon Musk's tweets, as the forward success of the coin and its ultimate growth potential is most likely going to be controlled by his influence on social media. The future looks bright for Dogecoin though, and all who bought in on the initial rush of popularity are definitely in for the best. It's not too late to key into this. The chart for today speaks for itself. As you can see on analyzing the price movement, there have been some stable trends, and then some downward and upward trends. Right now, the coin is leaning towards stability, with little to no reduction or increase. Hence, there are mixed opinions on the coin. Retail investors still seem to love the meme coin. If the coin could get a few social media posts that are well-timed, then the chart would be kicked back into gear. I'll be looking for either the break or rejection over the next 24 hours to give a better indication of where the charts would go, whether upwards or downwards. I still believe in an increase, but realistically, there are two possible scenarios. First, the coin could break the resistance zone, and that would be a signal to grow for the altcoin. The price could also break the support zone, and the previous head and shoulders pattern won't work with high probability. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. Dogecoin sure has good growth potential in the next months, especially if Elon Musk continues to rally behind it with his numerous tweets. What do you think? With the recent rumors of probes from the SEC, do you think that Elon Musk could still launch the coin in the long run? Let us know your answers in the comments below. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen, and we'll see you in the next video.